In this video, we are going to understand how to find inverse of a matrix. There are two ways to find the inverse of a matrix. One is by adjoint method and second is by row transformation or column transformation method. In this video, we will understand how to find A inverse using adjoint method. First of all, what is an A inverse? A inverse is that matrix when multiplied with A, it gives you a unit matrix. So in algebra, what we termed as multiplicative inverse, any number multiplied by it, multiplicative inverse give you answer 1. Similarly, in matrices, a matrix A when multiplied by its A inverse or inverse of the matrix, you get an identity matrix of the same order. Okay, so A into A inverse equal to I. So now if I multiply this matrix with the A inverse, then I will get identity matrix which will be 1 0 0 1. That is the definition of A inverse. To find A inverse, the first step is you have to find whether you can find the A inverse or not. So to find out whether it is A inverse or not, you have to find determinant. You have to show that it is a non-singular matrix. For a singular matrix, you cannot find A inverse. So if the determinant is 0, it is not possible. So now first I will find determinant of A. It is 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6, minus of 4 into minus 2. So it will be 6 plus 8 and answer is 14, which is not equal to 0. Hence, it is non-singular. So the matrix is invertible, or you can find A inverse for this matrix. Now you have to remember three concepts. One is your Aij are these elements. Next is your minor of Aij, Mij denoted by capital Mij. Next is your cofactor, capital Aij. So I write down the minor Aij over here. A11 it is 2, A12 it is minus 2, A21 it is 4, and A22 it is 3. What will be minor? How do I calculate the minor? What I will do, I will hide the rows and column belonging to this element. So whatever is left becomes Mij. So now 2, this is the element, I hide this row and this column, balance is 3. So 3 is my Mij. I hide minus 2 column and row, so balance is 4. Again for this 4 row and column, so balance is minus 2. For this 3 column and row, so balance is 2. So this is how I find minor of Aij, which is denoted by capital Mij. Now how do I find cofactor? So finding the cofactor formula is minus 1 raised to the power I plus j multiplied by Mij. So here minus 1 raised to the power, this first element 1 1, so it will be 1 plus 1 multiplied by 3. This will be 1 plus 2, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 multiplied by 4. Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 multiplied by minus 2. Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2. So minus 1 raised to even number is positive, so answer is plus 3. Minus 1 raised to odd number is negative, so minus 4. Minus 1 raised to odd number is negative, negative into negative is positive, so plus 2. Minus 1 raised to even number is positive, so 1 into 2 is 2. So this is my factor of cofactors. Like this is my matrix of elements, cofactor elements, and this is my matrix of cofactors. Okay, so what is the cofactor matrix? It is 3 minus 4 2 2. Now how do I find adjoint matrix? Adjoint matrix is transpose of this matrix. So whatever matrix I get, I do the transpose of that. What is the transpose? You interchange the rows with the column. So my 3 minus 4 will become, first row will become first column, second row will become second column. So this is 3 minus 4 and 2. Now what is A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So I know adjoint of A. What is the value of determinant of A? 14. So 1 upon 14, 3 2 minus 4 2. So this is a very systematic and way to solve this sum, but you have to be very careful with regards to signs. If you make a small mistake, the whole sum goes wrong. So be careful and step by step do this sum. Okay, please note down.